gonna start from here. Okay, you already started. Okay, guys, wait up. Ready? Shit. Go. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, we're here with our special guest again. Another one.
Same one.
Well, today we are reacting to the Sikandar meets Ghazni. And this is basically, I think, an interview. So we are really excited to get into it, see what they gotta say. The movie's coming up, so it's a promotion. So let's get into the video. Everybody ready for Salman Bai and Mr. Amir Khan and the director A.R. Murgadas. So let's get into it. Boom. It's a long movie. It's a long one.
It's already so intense, though. What the heck? He looks so nervous.
I know.
Same forget task.
He's such a quiet guy. Sikandar meets Ghazni. So he directed Ghazni also. Yeah. So
Yes.
So,
One wrong question and you.
and also it's funny because like this like Andas Abna them two both. Now let's see. I think they're gonna tease him. All right.
Sir, my question is between Salman and me, who's the real Sikandar?
Sikandar is already done, sir. So Sikandar is
Salman is the real Sikandar. I'm going home here. इसके बाद तेरे साथ कलंदर बना लेते हैं ना. First Kalandar.
Let me get the subtitle.
He is the real Sikandar.
is in the film.
What a
Is a
subtitle.
Sikandar.
Joking, of course. He's Sikandar. In real life, कुछ गलत नहीं बोला.
Yeah.
कुछ गलत नहीं बोला. He's Sikandar. Real life, he's Sikandar. अच्छा मैनेज किया. So sir, who's a better dancer between Salman and me? Sir, you can also tell me who's better dancer.
Bro,
Sir, who's a better dancer?
So he broken his. So that time.
Sir, he breaks his ribs, he breaks other people's ribs. I'm not asking that. Who's better dancer?
What do you guys think?
both of them are really good dancers. Amir Khan is also really good dancer.
There is one.
Bias,
In the
Salman,
end
but
of
Amir is a
the-
great dancer.
He's dancer.
Yeah. In Becca, he did
They
well.
both
Very
got
well.
their own style.
He's better dancer. He's better dancer.
Oh no, he's a better
I
magician.
think so. Even I think so. So he's Sikandar, he's better dancer. Who's better action? Sir? He's better in action.
So,
He's like,
Again, he's better in
that's
action.
messed up. They
so
put
you
him in
ask
this.
the
Sir,
same
you
question.
are-
Is this a prank?
So you ask me the
No.
same question. This side only, sir.
Who's better actor?
Poor guy.
Who's the better actor?
Who's more sincere?
Like interrogating him. Oh my god. My hands are like sweaty.
I know. If I was him, I would like,
I'm
Who's
nervous.
the actor also he's better. Have you seen that?
that's what we need.
The crying.
And that's Abna too, because them two are so like
So without
funny
listening,
together.
I also do without listening. That is because of you.
Oh, they're in the movie together.
Remember the old movie?
That is going to see you when I see.
Salman.
When he sees you, he feels like crying. Sir.
Look
at this guy.
But you need a nice script. Yeah, they need a nice script, not a
And he's
clown.
going to go back to his
Yeah,
wife
like
and
how
child.
they have videos
And
back
then-
then. Like very gore.
Come back in the day again. And again.
Damn,
God
I must
will
say,
make you
they still look really nice, right? Look at that.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
At that age, like both of them are at like almost 60.
Silent shot
Yeah,
crying is very
Like
difficult.
teenagers are not like
When
that.
with the other actors, with the dialogue,
It's easy.
Dad hoga tera.
only close up, some voiceover, ladies giving some voiceover, so it suddenly crying, and slowly with the dialogue it's coming out, the tears coming out.
He's done that in this film.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Who's the actress in the film? Rashmi Khanna. Very effective. Yeah? Good actor.
Yeah, very good.
Very good, very good, very hardworking.
Wow, look at his muscles.
He's amazing.
Holy God, man.
Although I remember in Hyderabad also, she was
Give me
shooting
10% by John.
from
Yeah, he always had nice earrings.
6 o'clock in the morning. And
He
she
always
stood
had
there
that round
before,
earrings. He's
I
the
think
first,
first she was shooting
one of those
there.
first
Fever
people.
also.
Yeah, fever was
He made it a
first
trend.
shooting.
Yeah,
He used to shoot
that's why I like.
all day.
I like the round earrings too, because it does not poke you,
So the only time
Yeah,
that
look.
you could get is the driving
Salman
in the
fan.
car from one location to another. That reminded me of my starting of early days. We have all done it. We have all 2 shifts, 3 shifts. How many songs are in this?
So we have 4 songs.
4 songs.
Why they're asking the director the song
Yeah, one
question
song
only?
that broke my
Why the
attention
director
and
not asking
We
question?
put it we used to shoot the shot the next day. Oh, I couldn't sit, I couldn't stand, I couldn't cough, I couldn't laugh.
This is an interview
Nothing.
for the director.
वो जो step है,
In
step
the moment itself, he did
It's
like
like in the movie he was hurt and he still did like the dance and all that. That's why they were saying
Oh,
next
he
day.
was
he had like
actually hurt.
yeah he had
all the dances
he had a rib problem and also like
एक कर दो, चल रहा है.
I think he teared one of his muscle in gym maybe working out
Oh, then.
and he still
Was
did
it
the
a
movie.
very challenging film to shoot this one.
Yeah, so
Had to go
realization we
through
shot.
it.
That's why he
Right?
said
9
like
to day.
commitment,
So we have to security.
and also because of the fact that he got threatened to kill somebody was trying to kill him. That's why he had to do night shift from.
Because real
Yeah,
difference
that's too controversial.
So we have to be very careful.
Yeah.
But yeah, the grace of God went on.
चलो अच्छा हो गया. I'm glad it was one of them. किसके साथ काम करके मजा आया? Who did you like working with better?
Amir Khan, bro.
All of us.
He's putting him on the spot, bro.
What is the answer?
Me.
Who was better to work with?
But
Answer is both.
How about Ghazni and Sikandar come together?
Little bit. Who gave you less trouble?
Who gave you less trouble?
Who came on set on time? That's why I asked you that question. But who finished work before?
that is easy.
Who was more irritating, sir? Oh, he's come on set. My mood is spoiled.
What is this?
So it's not like that.
But just tell me, I want to know how.
But you see him as a director, he looks like this, right? But they say when he's directing, he's like very serious. Like,
Strict about his work.
Yeah.
25 years. So we
But then
also
you
did.
can-
I want to know how it is. to
Yeah.
work with him. So how was the experience working?
So working with him is very, very good experience.
very good, very good.
What are the main things about him you felt while working with him?
So he has a separate aura. So he is very good. That heroic. So Salman
Presence.
presence. When he comes to set, we can feel it. So like that. So,
Bhai ka aura hai, bhai.
There is.
Just watching him in the screen, you
So it
can
doesn't
feel
matter
it.
which
Yeah.
personality, like whether it's Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yeah, it's like
whether
yeah,
Sultan.
those
If
OP,
they
the
want to see him
aura,
as a hero.
the domain. He got his
Yeah,
own
that's-
domain.
They don't
Correct.
like to see anything other than a hero.
yeah.
Someone
He
who can
sucked
look
all the
after
manas out of you.
people,
Gone.
Larger than life.
larger than life. Someone who can protect.
Out.
That's, they like to see him like that.
Correct, correct.
And that's what he made.
Wow.
That's what he does.
It's basically जो अपने जो मेरी genre का film है, but थोड़ी सी sensibility वगैरह इनकी आ रही है, तो story अलग है, but वो heroes हैं, वो mass, वो एक emotion, humor, वो सब intact.
Can experience
I'm just
कैसा?
looking at you. Shole, man. I just want to go back to the gym.
Experience.
Being human.
Sir की picture है यार,
Look at that. God damn.
picture बहुत सी बनाई है.
Wait, isn't Amir Khan a little bit younger than him though?
No, I think he's older.
Really?
He had a good
Not
experience.
same
I
age.
see what my experience was. This is my
तो मैंने नोटिस किया था कि ये एकदम ऐसा इसका फिल्टर नहीं है. If I give him an idea and he didn't like it, it's very bad, very bad. Face used to go like this. So when Salman gives suggestion, same way without filter, you tell him also.
You should ask him.
ये without filter करता है तेरे सामने कि filter लगाता है.
60 years old. He's
I
1
think
year
in front
older
of
than
Salman, you are putting filter.
No way.
Yeah.
You are putting filter in front of Salman.
Shah Rukh and Salman same age.
They don't look 60 at all.
Amir Khan is 60?
Yeah.
No.
They look like
He's a
late
good man.
50s,
He gets
right?
upset also.
But the
when he's like,
dedication they have for their work is next level.
But that is a remarkable quality. He's got a very
Like
childlike
Dangal, Amir Khan
excitement about
actually
getting the
went
film
through
right.
the crazy transformation.
very
Even
interested
the
in
doctor
kind
said
of
you cannot be
work
doing
that he
this
wants to do.
because it's
Very
not good
hard.
for you, you know.
Yeah,
Losing like so much
extreme.
weight and then coming back up,
Then if you suggest him that he makes sense,
gain and weight lose.
in a second he will.
Correct. Yeah, that I.
If I just because language is a little bit problem, okay, so then he has just to understand. If sometimes he's taught in Tamil, okay, Tamil that dialogue is a super hit dialogue, okay, but it loses the charm in translation.
Correct.
So now in that dialogue here and then becomes a cliche dialogue. So then our job is to just slightly give it a edge, that punch. So that when he understands the punch, this is super.
Did you guys understand what he's saying? Because he's a Tamil director, right? South. So in South, when they say something like, right, something like that, and then when you say it in Hindi, it's not gonna sound same like Japanese when they get translated into
Mm.
English, right?
Yeah,
Anime
like
is not
it's
that.
not the
Yeah, so that's why he's saying he had to learn to enhance that dialogue because he's a
Or when he says,
South
"No, no, this
director.
is the way I want it.
Not like-
Screenplay, he pays a lot of attention.
And what he's shooting and his cutaway is amazing. So we shot our scene and gone. And after that, he's taken these close-ups and he's taken that and he's taken this insert. So all that makes the scene. There's a whole rally sequence that I've done in the film. I'm sitting in a taxi owner. And इर्द गिर्द में जो हो रहा है वो तो obviously I didn't even know when I saw it. So wow.
Wow.
That whole
That's called
sequence.
director, man.
So you
Vision.
know how Gajni had released. Gajni had become a big success.
Yes, sir.
And we had a success party. Salman had come.
Yeah.
And he had gifted me 2 paintings which he had made.
Yes.
Of
You kept in your
I got it at home.
Yeah.
दो paintings बनाई थी सलमान.
Yes.
Really beautiful.
Yes. Sir. The
Oh, I
same way.
forget.
Yeah.
He paints.
So what is the main
Dancer,
thrust of the
actor,
story, sir?
painter,
Here,
Farmer.
husband wife.
farmer,
That affection.
bi,
John.
John.
All rounder.
Basically,
Man.
Emotion बहुत strong.
yeah, राजा की कहानी है. राजा मतलब कि
I want him to do a warrior, right?
जहाँ पर भी
That's
जाओ,
one
king
thing.
is always going to be.
He's never done it, right?
We have done one Veer.
Old
Whenever he
times,
goes,
not
it's
like
going to be a kid.
I want
Lot
to
of
do
action.
weird part two.
Yes.
Lot of
He actually wrote the story, right?
twist and turn.
He wanted to be a director.
What is the date of the release,
His
sir?
father is a writer.
This month 30th.
30th.
Yes.
Salman, 30th को release हो रही. So what are your emotions and feelings just before the release? What are your feelings right now?
So, same like Gajini. So before 1 week you will be that hard. Yeah. Yes. The release is.
मुझे टेंशन होती
मुझे नहीं
नहीं.
ये काम कर लिया है now.
I thought in
see,
America
most
you
of the
release on
time we
29th,
finish
no?
the film.
What?
Now
The
it
movie.
is extended to.
Yeah, 29 Saturday.
making
Oh,
people
for them
aware
it's
this
30.
is coming on such and such. Once that is over and you've given it your
I'm
best,
like, our ticket said
उसके
29.
बाद, you get the film. Then that film has its own destiny. The film has its own journey.
A lot of expectations sir, from audience.
Yes.
Eagerly awaiting your film with Salman.
Yes.
And
I hope blockbuster.
सलीम आपको
He
बुलाया?
will be.
Oh, his father.
आदाब सलीम
No.
साहब. Thank you for joining us.
I've never seen him.
Wow.
सिकंदर की जो फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है सलमान
Yes, yeah, I noticed that.
You know what they say? I don't have this, but they said it like attracts all the negative energy, and then when the negative attracts a lot, it breaks. Something like that.
It kind of it looks like ours, you know, the blue thing that we have.
No, that stone is different. That stone like that.
Turquoise, no?
देखिए
I think
कोई
it's
भी काम करें आप पे कोई भी तो एक नर्वसनेस शुरू में होती है उसमें तो ये कह ये नहीं कि सर मुझे ये हो रही है दैट्स द ह्यूमन हाँ हाँ तो लेते हैं तो वो तो है तो अगर ये सोच के चलो कि सबको होता है हम भी हो रहा है हमें करो
पिक्चर देखी आपने?
अभी वही
हाँ अभी बता.
देखिए
कैसी लगी आपको?
Actually, the best his character is that के जो इसके बाद क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा, आप क्या करते हैं, you know all that. If you hold it, क्या यहाँ रुक गए, then it is.
सिकंदर अच्छा था.
Yes.
It's a great time.
Sahil sir, producer Sahil sir. said.
अच्छा साजिद has suggested that.
Yes.
Sajid and you are working off the kick. How was it working with Sajid?
Yeah.
Good producer.
I think he's one of the better producers. He's,
Yeah.
When he directs, he's just like all
he knows
out,
his
like
job. He knows
me.
his
I
job.
cannot imagine him
वो
commanding me
साजिद
like,
उस टाइप का
yes sir,
producer है ना कि
come
actor
here
set
sir,
पे आता
do
था,
this now,
तो
okay?
बैग दिखाते थे कि
Sir.
पैसे आ गए.
Sir.
So the actor used to finish his work and go over and Sajid before pack up his goal. Next day वापस से bag.
हम मिलेंगे
So
How was your experience working with Sajid?
Very, very good.
Yeah, he's a good producer.
First I narrated, so he liked it.
Right.
Then he came.
Sajid.
To Salman.
Yeah.
Sajid is the producer.
और
Remember
Sajid का
Kick?
जो plot का sense है ना बहुत अच्छा.
He's the producer.
बहुत अच्छा. And
Sajid.
और हर genre की बना रहा है वो. कॉमेडी भी बना रहा है, हाउसफुल बना रहा है,
Mouthful, हाँ.
And music
फिर
sense.
आगे भी बना रहा है वो,
Music.
दिस
He-
ऑल्सो
सिकंदर भी, हाँ.
So many
भी
movies.
अच्छा है, कंप्लीट ऑलराउंडर। देखो जब एक आदमी आता है इंडस्ट्री में एक्टर बनने के लिए एंड देन ही डिसाइड्स कि एक्टर नहीं बनूंगा, आई विल बिकम अ प्रोड्यूसर।
Wow.
Okay.
It's like the
So
opposite
then
case.
उसमें वो हीरोइज्म वाली बात, because he also
Feels that.
feels that if I was in the film industry, I would have liked to be portrayed like this.
Like this.
So then he knows that hero, what is heroes in, what
Makes
is
sense.
emotion. And I think as soon as we grow older, you know, emotion थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आने लगता है, you know, आंखों में आंसू थोड़ी सी जल्दी आ जाती हैं, you know, sir. And small things also make you really happy. So I think that is a very good touching point for the audience.
Yeah. So Sajesh has a good sense.
Wow. Funny
And
thing, we don't listen to our parents, but we're listening to him so well. Like, yes, Aman bhai. Yes, Aman bhai.
Then we have everything for everyone. Right. We have for the heroes, we
listen
have
to
for the
my
wives, we have for the girlfriends. तो हर एक के लिए
Yeah, I
इस
listen
फिल्म
to
में
my parents.
हर
I
एक
don't
के
know
लिए-
who I was
हर
talking
एक
about.
हर एक जॉनर के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है।
I listen.
ईद की भी रिलीज है, स्क्रिप्ट भी अच्छी है, एक्शन भी बहुत तगड़ा है, यू नो गाने भी बहुत अच्छे हो गए हैं। सो एवरीथिंग इज लाइक अ होल कंप्लीट पैकेज।
Yeah.
ये आपको हीरोइज्म भी देगी ये फिल्म, या आपको रुलाएगी भी ये फिल्म, या आपको एक एलिवेट भी करेगी फिल्म।
What is Salman's favorite film?
When someone cries, you cry. Because this guy, I don't know, something about his tears. Bajrangi Bhaijaan, I was crying like a little baby.
Oh, yeah.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
When Munni said, Mama.
काम भी बहुत अच्छा काम किया और पिक्चर भी बहुत
Who said men don't cry?
और मेरी फिल्मों से आपको मेरी कौन सी फिल्म पसंद
The
है?
boys don't cry.
ऐसे मेरे जो फिल्म
The
अच्छी
boys said
लगी
let's
वो
लगान,
हाँ
लगान,
लगा
Men
बहुत
cry.
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी।
Whole के.
लगान बहुत अच्छी थी।
बहुत अच्छे बहुत से उसमें ऐसे नई बातें थी कि जो पहले फिल्म नहीं हुई थी
जी।
अभी क्या कर रहे हैं अभी रिलीज हो जाएगी
सितारे ज़मीन।
सितारे।
Oh, Tare Zameen Part 2 is coming.
बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है मैंने सुनी।
He directs it,
मैंने
he's
सुनी
the
है।
actor. Oh,
Oh
I mean,
my
कोशिश
god.
कर रहे हैं।
Amir
फिल्म
Khan.
बनाने के लिए
Oh my
एक
God,
रीजन
Tare
चाहिए
Zameen.
कि I got it.
That's my comfort movie.
Great script.
I know. That movie taught me so much.
Yeah.
अभी इस पिक्चर में सिकंदर में आपके दो डायलॉग डाले हैं मैंने।
Like that.
Yeah.
एक तो ये दीवार का कोई अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं है जो फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता, वो डाला है। और फिर एक और डाला है कि आप हमें बाहर ढूंढ रहे हो और हम आपके
Really
घर में आपका
thought that.
इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
I don't really know Hindi that well. The jokes are flying by
दीवार
me.
के थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट देकर।
Yeah, I'm like
So,
When
sir,
by laugh, you gotta laugh.
30th of March,
Yes, sir.
full excitement.
when he said
We are all excited, sir. It will be Eid also.
Yeah.
It will be a lovely occasion to watch
Yes.
Salman back in the theaters. And I'm fully ready to enjoy it. Sir,
I'm fully ready to
see
enjoy
his films, you know, I take a whistle with me.
one more day.
Oh,
पता है? क्योंकि मेरे को सीटी मारना नहीं आती। I want to whistle, I can't whistle, so I take a prrrr.
oh, that's fun. I should do that too.
आसपास रखिए
Sir,
सीटी मारने के लिए।
silence your phone. Okay.
So all the very best, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I think the audience and the public are really looking forward and they're waiting for this film.
Yes.
And
Yes, ready.
all the best.
How many days left?
And it's really sweet of him. I
Friday,
just spoke to him,
Saturday.
I say, यार, कुछ इसके ऊपर कुछ करना है थोड़ा सा
Ready. I'm ready.
सिकंदर के ऊपर
I have work.
ऐसे because you know you work
It's
with
okay.
Murtaza
You can
Dosan
watch
and working
us
with him
again
right now. In a second
together.
he says कि tomorrow 1:30 we'll do it. Very nice of him.
But all the very best, guys. Sir, all the best, Salman. Super hit होगी. Break all
Super hit, nice, super duper hit होगी.
Break the screen. Oh, I was like, wait, American's not in it. I just realized he.
That was it. That was it.
No, he's not.
How was
he's
that?
not. No, it's
You
only
know
him.
what they're saying? There's a rumor. There's a rumor.
He's gonna do cameo.
Sunil Shetty gonna be the main villain.
Really? That's gonna be crazy. I love his voice.
Yeah.
As a villain, he sounds so crazy.
Anna.
Remember the time
Anna.
what is that Shah Rukh Khan's movie? Main Hoon Na.
Hmm.
Crazy, yeah,
Oh,
as a
yeah.
villain. Oh my, I was actually scared of him.
Yeah. But he's such a nice guy, bro. Oh my god. I
In
thought
real
he was
life,
like,
when
yeah.
I watched Dance Diwana, that's
dancer.
Yeah, it was dancing one.
Yeah.
He's such a nice
He's
guy.
such a nice
He
guy.
crying.
He cries in every performance.
Big man.
Really?
Yeah. Well, you guys got anything to say? I know it was just an interview. We didn't expect it to be that long. I know
It
our
was
video
nice
is gonna
seeing
be
them
like
together.
20, 30 minutes.
I wish Shahrukh was there too. 3 of them together, you know?
It was really fun. I wish there was a journalist that asked questions. Because
Yeah.
both of them are pulling the
Yeah, they're just
picking,
picking on.
and then the director is like so humble. He's like, but he was hurt and he danced, so I cannot pick and choose, you know, because he's like, who's a
Someone
bigger
who
dancer?
give straight answer.
Yeah. And Amir Khan is just like teasing on top of
Oh,
it more.
the reporter from the Big Boss. What's his name?
I don't know.
There was a
Oh, it could have been
strict,
Farah
very
Khan.
strict one.
Farah Khan. She could ask. She doesn't get scared.
True.
She'll just ask. Well, guys, let's end the video because it got super long. I know you guys probably like tired of listening to us. Well,
But not
thank
watching
you.
Salman, I hope.
Thank you for watching our video, and please do like, subscribe, especially subscribe. I need to get 1,000 subscribes. Come on, please, guys.
Taraba.
Well, till then, we'll see you on the next reaction.
And comment.
Later. Everybody say Sikandar. Sikandar.